I know that even though they run it like a business in regards to looking at the bottom line, they're still looking at it from the origination side of, we need aggressive programs, we need aggressive rates. We're thinking like I think of, I need to be the best I can be on the street as a loan officer.
What it means for me to have the owners be in the trenches every day producing is it means that they know what I'm going through on a daily basis. They know what tools I need, and they're not just producers. They're not doing a few deals a month. They are doing huge volume every single month. So, with doing that many loans per month, they're experiencing things that I may never see, and they're on the forefront of knowing what I need and what tools need to be implemented into our company so we can have a smooth process.
The best way to describe the playbook is if I am a writer, right? J.K. Rowling writing Harry Potter. I can't do that without an outline. You also can't build a successful loan origination business without knowing exactly where you're going to go. So the Nova playbook is our outline. It tells you how to get to 8. It tells you how to get to 16, who you need to hire during that time, what steps you need to take along the way to get to those certain milestones. So the playbook basically just tells you exactly what you need to do. As long as you're following that playbook, you will be successful as an originator.
The Nova playbook is one of the best playbooks I've ever seen. I've seen a few places try to do it, but never where it's come from people like our owners, who are some of the top producers in the country, if not the #1 producer, which they have been for years and years and years at this company here. It's taken where I was a 10 to 12 loan a month person, where I was considered the #2 producer at my old company, and I came here and I'm averaging close to 30 loans a month. So what it has done is it's taken somebody like myself, where I know the guidelines really well. I'm kind of a bookworm, so I figure things out and how to make things work. But I didn't have that other tangent of the organization and the conveyor belt that they've created here at Nova. So that's what the playbook's done for me. It's helped me create this conveyor belt where everybody understands their role and everybody works as a team together, and it's really efficient. So that's what it's done for me.
I mean, literally, I'm on the speakerphone with a client the other day, and my underwriter overhears me because she's in the office across from me, and she walks in my office and helps me with the file. Like, very solution-based. I come out of my office today, and there's an LO in there running a deal by the underwriter.
One particular client that I can think of that I'm very proud of or excited about for the client is they had an identity theft issue, and there were things on their credit report that they had been trying to get rid of for years, but our credit services team got rid of it and increased their credit scores by, I believe, about 80 points. So significant improvement, and I was so excited to be a part of that for that client.
Our credit service department, I think, is probably the secret weapon of Nova. They're absolutely amazing.
Every single month we have real estate agents that have deals that are falling out. They come to us, we run through credit services. Sometimes within days we can have that loan ready to go, and I mean, this is how you build your business. You get those deals, and now you have agents that know that you can do these types of things, and they're going to use you again in the future.
For a mortgage company to come along and actually recognize that we are salespeople and we need ongoing training, ongoing mentorship is incredible, and that's what Propel does for me.
What makes Propel so different, I think, is that it does provide the accountability, it does provide a lot of great theory, but more importantly, it also provides a lot of time with other top producing loan officers.
Yeah, the marketing department's just amazing, and I have a lot of friends in different companies, and it's one of the single things that I don't believe anyone else has or can touch is our marketing department. And I think that we have so many people that have that creative mind, and I just want to go do loans.
I like that the person assigned to my team for marketing, I have a personal relationship with. I like that he understands what I'm looking for because he cares about my business.
Love our marketing department. Holy cow, that is definitely one of the backbones of Nova. The fact that I can call anybody in the marketing department, do a video call with them, just do a phone call with them, and just kind of spitball ideas. Hey, would this work? Have you seen anybody doing this? What kind of results are we having? And they're so personable.
So the impact that a loan coordinator has on my business has been instrumental in taking me from a 6 loan a month loan officer to a 40 loan a month loan officer. Having that extra person on your team, or even having them available in the branch, frees up time for a loan officer to do what's best, originate more loans. So the loan coordinator position enables me to be in two places at the same time.
So I was, with the loan coordinator, I was highly resistant to it at first because I've been doing this for years and there was a certain way I thought assistants should handle the file from A to Z. What the loan coordinator does is it catches that one item that you missed that ends up in processing and makes the whole file topsy-turvy, where your clients aren't happy with you, you're pushing up on the close, and your realtors feel the tension from the clients. Since I've got the loan coordinator, the product has been extremely consistent because we get all the stuff answered up front. When we get in the process and we get it through, we're typically closing early. Clients are loving me, they're laughing at close. The agents, more than half the time, I'm asking them if they want to move up the file. That position is the most important position to my business that I can think of.
The corporate culture at Nova is, just to make it simple, is a small business and a big company. Very tight-knit, family type of atmosphere where you're happy to come to work. You know, I walk around and say hi to everybody in the morning. We all know who each other is. We go on company trips together, functions. So you still get the small business feel in a company that's, you know, gotten to be pretty big and this successful.
It's fun, you enjoy coming to work, everybody has a good time, and when you have a problem, everybody jumps in to help you solve that problem. There is not a better place to be, as far as I'm concerned, to do a loan. The support, like I mentioned before, is unbelievable.
The Nova culture is like a family. Truly, everyone cares about each other. We all have the same goal. We're all there to help each other. Someone gets stuck, there's someone there to help them. Perfect example, we had a loan officer who just had a bad day. Loan was going bad, and literally a handful of people in our office jumped in and helped when that loan officer was stuck and helped them get the resolution. And I don't think you find that in other places. I think people just worry about what they have to do and their issues, and with Nova it's totally different. It's a family atmosphere and everyone's there to help each other.
There's no secret. When you fly with the Eagles, you kind of learn to fly a little higher, a little faster. And so that's really what that's all about, spending time with top producers.